Looks like I'm taking a leak there, but I'm not. Just tucking in the shirt. All right, my friends, I'm on Lake Neshonoc in West Salem, Wisconsin. Check in below with your feedback. Love to hear from you. And it's me, Coach Vigue. No more sunglasses. Definitely doing a voiceover for this. It was very windy on this day. I was home visiting my mom for about 10 days in West Salem, Wisconsin. I snuck out on the one nice day, it was warm, to film this all body weight, great for men, women, everyone, core, total body workout. Let's begin with Windshield Wipers. 10 repetitions. Take the arms out to the sides or over the head, dropping the legs side to side. I highly recommend breathing during this workout, also breathing in through the nose and exhaling through the mouth, working on control and precision and flow and centering and concentration. Extend the top leg a little further out if you like. Back and forth. Let's loosen up that lower back. Get the movement going. And the lake, yes, is rather frozen. Leg drops 10 times. Take the fingers to the back of the head or hands together. Stabilize the lower back. Going to drop the legs about halfway down each side, keeping the knees bent. It's great joy for me to film these videos where I know I'm going to do a voiceover because I can really, really dig into the form. And I smile, and I think I'm going to remember while I'm smiling, and I totally forget later on. So that's goes along with the business, doesn't it? Good. Side to side. Inhale to the center and exhale to the side. Keeping your chin slightly tucked and feeling that nice pull on your obliques. Pendulum Reach. 10 repetitions. Legs come up, heels together, toes apart. Zipping up the legs and pointing the feet. We're going to drop to the side, reach. Pull those sides in. Get a nice view of my well-worn feet. Inhale to the middle, exhale, extending up. I like to flash that smile whenever I can. That is my father's smile. Reaching towards the pinky toe, stabilizing and keeping that center strong as we move side to side with some deep, deep breathing, getting the blood flowing. 10 repetitions. Okay. Going into reverse, single straight leg stretch 10 times. Drop the legs down on about a 45-degree angle. Draw the right leg in, pull. Inhale, snap it back. Exhale, pull. Lower back is down. Modify by bending your knees. Modify anytime you need to. It's a joy of body weight fitness. Exhale, pull in. If you like, you can extend your arms overhead as the legs go down and then bring it back in like so. Nose towards the knee, knee towards the nose. Bringing it all together, nice and strong. Okay, we're moving. And hold it right here. Arms out, legs out. Lower back is down now. Single leg circles, 10 in each direction. Start with the right leg and circle. Size of a frisbee, size of a skillet perhaps. Arms can be to the sides, or wherever you want. Hands can be under the hips to support the lower back a little bit more. Churn that almond butter, other direction, 10 times. Don't forget, your left leg is extending away, providing for a pot boiler of an ab exercise here. All right, stretch that right leg in. Give yourself a nice extra stretch called the spider stretch. And now switch. We have the left leg. Admire it for a moment. It's a beautiful leg, that is. And 10 repetitions, either direction. Let's get serious. Here we are. We're circling. Feeling good right in the sun, right on the lake. I hope wherever you're doing this workout, somewhere interesting. Other direction. Here we go. Let me know below where you are in the world doing this workout. We're circling around, drawing that circle, adding resistance, a lot of control, and flowing from one exercise to the next 10 times. Now stretch that leg in, 2 exhales, that spider stretch. Hug the knees in, drop the head down, wiggle the fingers and the toes for a moment, and voila, we are in a different location. The magic of Sean Vigue Fitness. Rock it up. Roll-ups, classic Pilates exercise, 4 repetitions. Bring the legs together, draw the toes towards you, shoulders back and down. Postural integrity. Enjoy the lake. What a beautiful Shuna location. All right, let's start with a spine stretch. We're going to roll down. Now it begins here. Here's repetition number 1. Rise up, stretch up and over. Pull the belly button into the spine and massage the vertebrae down into the mat. Pause for a moment. Take out momentum. You want to keep the flow, keep the integrity. Your adaptability is off the charts. Get up and over. Long stretch. Let's take it one more time. The classic Pilates roll up. Bring it up. Reaching over. Come on down and let's roll up into a half boat with 4 runs with the arms. Look at that. No, little superhero run. And we have the stretch. Continue. We're going to do this 4 times. So up, 4, fix the blouse, 4 runs from half boat pose. Keep your breath and don't neglect the spine stretch here. Decompress the spine. Down we go. And up. And run. 2, 3, 4. Stretch. And let's help ourselves to 1 more here. 1 more. Rise up into half boat. Smooth. 2, 3, 4. And spine stretch. Now we move into half boat hooks, combining it with extended boat. 10 hooks. Bring the arms across as you stabilize the half boat. What we do on the mat, it's to improve our adaptability for anything we do. We're disrupting and disturbing our mind and body all the time in these workouts. Now you can stay in half boat or grab the feet or ankles, extending up, getting a massive stretch. Get that bug off my arm. Drop the shoulders down. And then return to half boat. 10 hooks across. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. 9, 10. Once again, half boat or the extended boat. If you like, you can do a little walk here in the extended boat, keeping your shoulders down. It's amazing what our bodies are capable of. All these different movements. Keep building from a strong foundation. All right, bring it up and over. 10 plank ups. Couple shoulder rolls there. Always keep your alignment and posture strong. Plank ups. Plank position. We do forearm, forearm, back up, switching sides each time. Keep your body parallel. This is a fantastic overall cardiovascular strengthening move. Also muscular endurance as well. Bring it up and down. 10 repetitions. Lots of breath. You can yank that arm up a little bit like you're starting a lawnmower. All right, 5 more. Fast. Speed it up. All right, press it back for a moment. Downward facing dog. And 5 more quick ones. Plank ups. Go for speed. Elevate that heart rate for maximum high intensity interval training. All right, bring it down. Pull backs, 10 repetitions. Inhale, extend the arms forward, open the legs, and pull like you're pulling cables. Really lengthening the back, squeezing the legs and the glutes as you bring the legs together. 10 repetitions. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Keep your eyes on the floor. Keep the back of your neck nice and shiny and smooth so it's lengthened. Inhale, exhale, pull. Good. Working the rhomboids, the lats, the shoulders, the biceps, and the legs. Okay, press it back. Child's pose again. I won't even write that on the screen because we all know child's pose. Move in that pose how you feel right now. You can move it side to side, add a little twist. And we're back to our original location because the crowds got too big. All right, now this is the big finale. Pilates push-ups flow. This will get pretty wild, it says on the screen. I'm going to keep adding on to these flows here. I'll do my best to talk through it. So we're going to feet hip width, dive down, forward fold, walk out to plank position. I'm going to do 3 tricep push-ups, hands under the shoulders. The importance of flow in these exercises. Tuck the chin, inhale, rising up, building that spine, shoulders back and down, diving down again. We'll keep on moving. Do what you can do. Again, 3 push-ups, and then walk back. Lift the tailbone high, tuck the chin. A little extra stretch down here, a little wiggle. Always Never underestimate the power of a wiggle. Shoulder rolls. Now lace the fingers, open the chest in the mudra stretch. All right, shake it out. Dive down again. If I was not filming, I would do this exact same thing. It would keep flowing. I'm going to add leg lifts to those push-ups. We keep increasing the intensity and the muscular engagement that we bring to these flows. So engaging more and more muscles, the mind and the body working more precisely together. Shoulder rolls. Now lace the fingers, the mudra stretch. Drop the arms back again for a moment and then dive down. Walking out. Doing those leg lifts in the push-ups. Hey! And then walking back. Good. Shake it out. Keep it loose. My shoulders feel a little tight, so I like to shake them. Shoulder rolls. Mudra lift. Bring the fist to your lower back. Drop the shoulders. Okay, take a look-see at your beautiful surroundings. Now we really take it up a notch. Walk it out to plank. Jump forward. Half boat. Extend all the way out, if you like, into full boat, and then back to plank and walk back, rising up. Combining some power yoga-inspired flows here. Dive down. Walk it out. Smooth transitions. Jump forward, half boat, or full. Arms out. Jump through. Walk back. Extra stretch there if you like. Decompress the spine, rising up. Arms overhead this time. Cactus arms. Pull the arms back and down. Fix the pants. Dive down. Forward fold. Walk out. Jump through. Roll up this time. We're going to roll down, roll up into half boat. Jump through. Walk back. And we rise up, feeling a little taller each time. Power through the thighs and the kneecaps. Cactus arms, feeling invincible. Thank you, Mark Wahlberg. Walk out, jump through. The roll up, roll down, massage the spine, come up. Half boat, full boat, cross, jump through, and hover for a moment. Inhale, up dog. Now we're really adding in some power yoga vinyasa flows. Down dog. Walking back. You got to type in Sean Vigue Power Yoga on YouTube. You can do a ton of power yoga workouts with me. One of my specialties. Back bend, cactus arms. Dive down, tuck the chin. Walking out, plank position. We're going to jump through, roll up into half boat, extend. What am I saying? I'm going to slow it down. Here we go. No. Right in the lumberyard. Take it back. Stepping back to plank. Slow hover. Chaturanga elbows pulling into the ribs. Can you control it? Control that body. It's yours. You must. It is your duty to take care of it. Upward facing dog. I did not slow down the film. I am merely digging in a little deeper to my movements, adding a twist. There we are. Really open up the abdominals. Now step back to downward facing dog. Let those feet plant. Jump forward. Bring the tush down. Once again, half boat or boat. Hold right there. Breathe. I learned to play hockey on this lake, on Lake Neshonoc, when I was 5 years old. Just moved from Manhattan Beach, California to West Salem, Wisconsin. I was a mite, 5 years old. There we are. We're holding that boat. Hopefully that little bit of Sean Vigue trivia took some of the pain off. Now jump back or step back. I'm still going slow. It's definitely a challenge. Back to downward facing dog. Walk the hands back. Enjoy that extra stretch for a moment. Lace the fingers behind you. We have the mudra forward fold. Weight is in the toes. Draw the arms back. Open the chest and the shoulders. Drop the arms down. And knees coming down. Let's call it a day. Thanks for training with me, my friends. If you like this workout, please hit that like button, comment and check in below, subscribe to this channel, do it right now, and take my 7-day Pilates challenge. It's free. The link is on the screen and in the about section below. And of course, You've been asking for it. What is the best yoga book for athletes? It's right here. On my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes, over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies. Crisscrosses. Oh, not... Oh,